Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back, guys. Good morning to y'all. Happy Monday. First things first, glory be to God. And yeah, I started off this morning, got bags under my eyes, a little sleepy. My daughter had her birthday, and over this week, man, I've been so exhausted, y'all. But what's good? How's everybody doing? Let me know in the chat. Chat, let me know. Glad to see y'all back. You already know I stay with a water bottle. Man. Alright, make sure everything running smoothly. Let's see and get everything a quick little check before I get started. Make sure everything looks good. Excuse me. Everything looks good. Put that on 1 hour. Okay. Hey, even though today may be a bank holiday, don't have much news, we're gonna try to find a trade today. We don't chop, Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, look at the. What's up, Deontay? Hey, my day is alright, but yeah, hey, I'm glad it. Yeah, I'm doing good, chilling and relaxing. What's good? Glad to see you in the chat early this morning. Bounce. Yeah, I already know. We got market opens up in 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes, market opens up. First things first, y'all already know what I have to do. I gotta spread that word. It's only right. It's only right. See if we can get more people in here. Oh man, I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna rush anything. But hey, I'm happy to see y'all in the chat. God bless y'all. Let's get right into it. All right, we got Isaiah chapter 48, verse 18. If only you had paid attention to my commands, your peace would have been like a river, your well-being like the waves of the sea. If we would have just paid attention to God's commands, we'd have peace, right? There were certain times in our life where we might have hit rock bottom, have had situations that didn't go our way, have said the wrong things, done the wrong things. But there was always a time when we was going through these things, God was there and he was telling us what should we do and where to go. And I ain't gonna lie, for myself, I found myself going through situations and leaning on my own understanding and falling right into a pit because I wasn't obedient and I wasn't listening to God's commands. And I would have found myself at more peace, just like it said in this scripture. You would have found yourself, you would have had peace and it would have been like the river, and your well-being would have been like the waves of the sea, if I would have paid attention to the Lord, right? So remember, when we're going through stuff and we're going through situations and circumstances, let's try to look towards the Lord for the answer, and we'll be all right. We'll have that peace. He never failed us. He's always with us. Let's get to the next one. 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 16. What agreement is there between the temple of God and idols? What agreement is between the temple of God and the idols? Right? For we are the temple of the living God. As God has said, I will live with them, I will walk amongst them, I will be their God, and they will be my people. Therefore, come out from them and be separated, says the Lord. Touch no unclean thing, and I will receive you, and I will be a father to you, and you will be my sons and daughters, says the Lord Almighty. God is saying in this chapter, in this scripture, that we want either pick between him or the things of this world. Idols can be celebrities, idols can be money, idols can be food, idols can be materialistic things. He wants us to separate ourselves from these things, take our heart from the idols, and give it to him. Because one, he says that he will live with us, he will walk among us, he will be our God, and we will be his people, right? We are his sons and his daughters. What's good, Trucking? What's up, Trucking? Good to see you in the chat. Hope you caught that verse, man. If you need me to re-say what I just said, let me know. Before we get started, market opens up in like 17 more minutes. So look, it's like a little cloudy day. It might start raining today too. So if it starts getting dark, I'm going to readjust the blinds. But let me know in the chat if y'all want me to reread that scripture. If the chat does, if the screen starts being frozen, let me know. If nothing starts working, let me know. Just let me know in the chat if y'all see anything frozen, if my words are not matching up or aligning. Let me know. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right, let's get back to it. Hey, I got another one. One more for y'all. One more for y'all. One more for y'all. One more for y'all. Actually, I'm gonna have one more later on, but one more for y'all. Look here. Look, Isaiah chapter 9, verse 2. The people walking in darkness have seen a great light, right? On those living in the land of the deep darkness, right? We've been walking in darkness for a long time. Me, you, everybody else been walking in darkness for a very long time. We have departed from God. We have fallen from God's glory. We have seen the great light, which is Jesus. He has came down and revealed himself in the human flesh, right? The people walking in darkness have seen a great light. On those living in the land of the deep darkness, a light has dawned. We've been walking blind and selfish for the longest, guys. We've been selfish, blind. We haven't really been walking in the faith. There's a lot of times where we just been in complete darkness, but the light is there, right? It's dawned on us. God has given us the scripture. He has given us the way. He has given us the truth, right? Remember that when you see that light, walk towards that light. Because look, like he said before, what is an agreement there between the temple of God and idols? What agreement is there between us? What there is no agreement. Right? If we are the temple of the living God, he will live with us, right? He will walk with us, right? He will be our God, right? He wants us to come out from them and be separated from these idols. Touch no unclean thing, right? Don't do unholy things, and he will receive us. You can't pick and choose which way you want to go. Either you're gonna hate the other, love one and hate the other, or hate one and love the other. You gotta choose. What's up, Abdul? You gotta choose. Like I said, either you're going forward or you're going backwards. You can't stay in the middle. You gotta pick a side. Either you're gonna be for God or you're gonna be for the world. You're gonna be for God or you're gonna be for the world. Or either you're gonna do all things through God or you're gonna keep falling into sin, what we all do, and keep picking and choosing what you're gonna put your mind on. You're gonna either fall in love with money, fall in love with idols, fall in love with material, fall in love with everything. But if you keep directing your attention and your focus and your dedication to God, he's gonna dwell in this temple. He's gonna talk to you. He's gonna show you. Remember that. Ask and you will receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. Give it to the Lord Almighty. I will be your father to you, and you will be my sons and daughters, says the Lord Almighty. Don't touch no unclean things. I mean, we're gonna fall. You ain't gonna be perfect. You're not gonna be perfect. Hey, I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Abdul. What's up? How you been? You two trucking, Deontay. Look, keeping it simple for y'all. God has given us salvation. He's given us a free gift, salvation. He's given us grace. You can't beat that. God can come down at any time. God is so holy and perfect and so divine. You can't even be in the presence of God because of our uncleanness, right? But God is so graceful and rich in mercy that he's willing to allow us to continue to seek him every single day until the end of time. That's love. Imagine if you did something wrong and your parents was like, you did something wrong, I'm about to punish you right now. Right? Straight punish you. But God doesn't even do it. He allows you to make your own mistakes and then wait for you to call on him. That's glory, man. That's grace. That's mercy, man. You can't beat that. That's good. That's good, Abdul. You can't beat that. God is merciful. Choose him before his time is up, guys. Before time is up, before your time is up. Remember, we don't know what the next hour may bring. We don't know what tomorrow may bring. Because it never happened yet. We don't know. So make sure that you're choosing God at the end of this. Repenting of your sins. Doing holy things. Do the right thing. Choosing God. Staying away from idols. You know, sometimes I might say, oh, I need money, 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 money. I need food, 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 food. God says, he said, look at the birds of the sky. They don't even cry for food, clothing, but God knows that he has to feed them. Ain't you more important than the birds and the animals, right? God knows what you need. Call on God, seek him, talk to him, pray to him. Wake up and say, God, thank you for this morning. You know, I do that. That's a good thing to do, you know. Wake up in the morning and start your day by prayer. All right. All right. Anyways, y'all, let's get into it. Make sure you're putting your focus on God. Remember that he's gonna always be with you to the end of time. He doesn't stop. He doesn't stop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Go ahead and minimize this. See what this market doing today. Push this down to a tad bit more. All right, let's get it. Let's see. We got how many minutes left? We have 10 more minutes left until this market opens. I got everything set. Everything set. Market moving sideways. Look at this daily. Man, man, it feels good to have this Monday. Good morning, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got the bounce. I'm gonna get rid of that. Don't need that. Get rid of this. Don't need this. I'm gonna get rid of all this old stuff. It is Monday, so we may not see no big moves today because one, it's a bank holiday. Yo, what's up, Marcus? He was a jit. When you was a jit, now you lit. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, that's what's up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and set these zones. Make sure this computer ain't spazzing out. Let's get it. Let's set these highs and these lows. Actually, hold up. Let me get rid of this the executions. Get rid of these executions. Man, look like we dropping. I ain't even lying to y'all. And my internet out too, by the way. I gotta use my hotspot. So if it start moving slow, you'll know why. Internet is out. They still working on the lines. So I'm using hotspot. So everything might be laggy. If it does, I'm sorry. Just gonna have to deal with it. All right, we got previous day low. Previous day high. Get ES2 on the way. Come on, ES. Get with it. Previous day low. Get rid of that. So right now we chart into this market before this market opens. Get rid of all this nonsense. If the string cuts out, I'm gonna restart it. But I pray to God that it don't cut out. All right, let's get it. Let's see, Bob got the low for that, got the low for here. All right, let's get it. Actually, I'm gonna go back to a daily. Go to a weekly real quick. Just get like a good scope on all of this before I really start moving. Ooh. Okay. Okay. All right. Today, I don't know. We're gonna see if we're gonna consolidate or not. We're gonna see. So we did get the push. Filled that imbalance right there last week. Last week we filled the imbalance. Got the push. I want to see if we're gonna get a retracement and continue to go long. We're gonna see. Even on ES. ES got the break on the week too. See? ES had got the break. So bop right there. ES had a breaker structure on the week. NQ didn't. Let's see. I'm gonna look back at the past and see if we're gonna have a rejection somewhere. I could see us continue to go. Hey, I'm thinking long. I'm still thinking long. Unless we get a retracement and then go long. But that might happen throughout the whole week. So, you know what? I'm gonna wait till this market give me clarity. If we stay below this period day high, I'm going short. If we get above this period day high, then I'm gonna go long. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me go down to a daily. See what else we got. On the daily, we have some highs that we gotta take out. Cause I want to see us take out some more highs, some more liquidity. Like right here. What else we got? Look over here. Got imbalances right here above. Man, we still got so much imbalance above and below to fill. But we in this range. That's the thing. We're pushing, we're grinding higher, but we're ranging higher. Which I like, but I don't like. Right, you was lit, fam. I was just watching. I was robbed a bank. I robbed the bank prank. You watched the rob the bank prank. How I even did that with no bank. That would have been nice though. All right, so let's see. 4 hour. We are underneath the previous day highs on a 4 hour. I mean on a daily, right? Underneath it. So got the lows right here. To me, this is still kind of rangy until we break out. We're still kind of rangy until we break out because look, we still got this to break on a daily, this to break on a daily, and the previous day high. That's still 3 highs that we didn't break. So you might see the shorts might come in. We're gonna see if we continue to take out these highs. I just gotta sit on hands and wait. The market opens up in 6 more minutes, okay? So we're gonna see if we can continue to go long and break these highs. And if we continue to reject, you can see us filling that imbalance below and going short. Monday, we don't really have news today. We don't have really no news today. And today is a bank holiday too as well. So we're gonna see. Let's see what else on in ES. ES already broken its highs, so it might continue to grind high. We're gonna see. I want to be patient until this market opens to kind of get more confirmation. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. Let me get rid of this. Get rid of all of this. I don't need this. I can just see it. Do we have any 4 hour demand zones? We have a 4 hour. No, we don't. I don't trust that. 4 hour fair value gap right here. Don't trust that no more. Man, I would like to see us take out some more liquidity, but I think I gotta see if we're gonna either go long from here or go short. I wanna see. Which high are we taking out? We are pushing higher, like we're pushing into the premium. When you usually go into a premium, you want to sell in a premium, you know? Excuse me. I want to see us either push into this high and continue to stay above it and go long, or push into this high, reject and go short. That's all I'm looking for. Right? Because we in this range. We got sell side below and we got buy side above. I'm trying to see what ES to do to it, even though ES is still breaking high. We are below the previous day high. So we're gonna see. We in this range. We're gonna see. We in this range. Look at a 1 hour, see if we got any zones. See if we got any zones. Okay. Okay, I'll sit right here. I like this. I like that. 1 hour. Put that right there. Put that right there. On all intervals. Right? 1 hour right there. Look at ES. ES has a 1 hour demand right here. Then we're gonna take our trade once the market opens. ES got a demand zone right here that I like, that we could probably possibly bounce off of. We got some liquidity down here, some internal liquidity. Damn, this computer pushing. Can't wait to get a new one, y'all. We got some liquidity above that we could take out of. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Market opens up first, but we are in this range. We in this big old range. Can y'all see it? I want to see us break this. Look at a 30-minute. ES and NQ having the same confluence. Look, got NQ right here, got ES right here. They got the same confluence. Let me know in the chat if the charts are not loading. Let me know in the chat if the charts are not loading. Okay. Everything looks good. Footprint sideways. So I'm gonna sit on hands until this market opens, y'all. Sideways. I'll go back up to 1 hour. I mean, 1 hour. Ooh, would you consider this the rejection right here? Would you consider this a 1 hour? Nah, I don't like how just short this the supply is. Yeah, we're sideways, y'all. This might either be the shorts or this gonna either be the longs. We gonna see. We gonna see. Go down to a 30-minute. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. Is he crying back there? Man, my boy always crying. 30-minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, he's crying. And that boy's always crying. I gotta get him to stop crying, y'all. My kid, I don't know what he must be going through a growth spurt, my son. That dude always crying. Let's see what else we got. 5 minute, anything on the 5 minute. Yeah, we got a lot on the 5 minute. I'm trying to make sure that I don't zone too much because I don't want to get trapped into just putting too many zones. That's the thing. Ooh, right here, 15 minute on ES. I mean 30 minute on ES, which I like. I kind of like this. Because it's right next to VWAP. VWAP. 30-minute demand right there, which is a little small demand. Look at NQ. We got one right here. Market's open, y'all. Market's open. No rush though, cause I mean, you ain't gotta trade. You ain't gotta trade once market open. It's like we just catching volatility. Okay, are we pumping? Man, I know everybody's happy to trade right now. 30 minute. 30 minute 2 right here. 30 minutes. I want to see what this market gonna go in the first 2 minutes. We're gonna take our time. We're gonna take our time and see what this market gonna go. I don't want to rush it just yet, cause we in this range. We're getting that rejection. Let's see. 15-minute rejection right here. 15-minute. Let's look. Let's look. Let's see what NQ wants to go. We got ES right here. We got NQ right here. We got a 15-minute right here too. Is it continue to hold this zone? Hold this level, I mean? We getting that break, that build up? Yeah, probably so. Look at, dang. ES looks like it's rejecting. ES looks like it's rejecting, and Q looks like it's, trying to hold, but it might drop. Bop, they're gonna drop. Look at the footprints. Still looks choppy. See? Look at that. That's volatile. That's volatile. That's volatile. Gotta be careful, y'all. You don't want to get caught up into that chop. Yeah, that's volatile, y'all. Gotta be real careful right here. Alright, so as you can see, ES going is towards 30 minute. I got a 15-minute right here on NQ. I'm gonna use this as, yo, you know what? I'm gonna be careful with this spot right here. I think we touched it and bounced. 15-minute. I'm gonna just put it just in case it wants to have any respect. 50-minute fair value gap right here, which is a really small fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap right there. 15-minute fair value gap right here. We're breaking down 1 hour. Let's see, 1 hour got the rejection. 4 hour. 4 hour couldn't get the push. 4 hour fair value gap right here. Internal fair value gap. 4 hour IFVG. Make sure that I'm putting that right there. The more confirmation, the better, y'all. 1 hour. We got the bounce right here, maybe. We're gonna see. Bounce right here. We're gonna break that. Look at bounce. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if we're gonna respect that zone. We're gonna see. Also on ES, make sure that we got 1 minute left into the 5-minute prints. ES could do what he wants. I'm gonna let ES do what he wants. We didn't get the full follow through. Look at a 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. We're respecting that 15-minute fair value gap, but we're so volatile that we're just whipsawing up and down. Market doesn't have a clear direction on when to go, where it wants to go in the footprints though. So I think it's best that I sit on hands and wait till we get more confirmation. Because this is sideways. Remember, there is a bank holiday and there's really no news. So we might see a lot of up and down. So might want to just be careful and sit on hands until this market gives you clear direction and a clear break. Once you get clear break, then you're going to see volume pick up and you can catch the move. But if you're catching it right now, good luck because this market is sideways. I don't see no clear direction on the footprints, and I also don't see no clear direction on, well, ES is breaking down. NQ is trying to break down, but I don't like it. You know what? I do like the shorts though, but that's for a quick scout. I might just wait. Can this also be a rejection point? Let me see. Let me put this resistance on and see what happens right here. Let me see if that's valid. This might be a valid short. This might be a valid short. Let me see on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, is this a valid short? We're gonna see. Go down to a 5-minute on the footprints. I just need more confirmation that the shorts want to come in. ES is coming in though. Might try. Ooh, that is a clean short. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Are we coming into this 4 hour? Ooh, this might be a clean short, y'all. This might be a clean short. We're gonna see. I want to see us reject or respect this 15-minute right here that I put. We got a 15-minute right here. This 15-minute was not even it. But let me go to a 30-minute. I want to see if I can make this support look a little bit more cleaner. Make this support a little bit more cleaner. There we go. Right there. Boom. That was the rejection. Pick on the shorts. Clean sweep. They about to sweep down to this 30-minute and this 15-minute right here. See? Yeah. We're gonna see. It just, I don't like how the footprints look. The footprints look very, very sketchy. Like what I mean is, like, watch this. Let's say if I did get into a play, right? Let's say if I did get into a play. Where's my stop? Where would I put my stop at? Like, where would I put my stop? Let's say if I would have put my stop right here. Let's say if I would have got in short right here and took the 78 bounce right here. But look how much it absorbed so fast. This thing can literally bounce off this fair value zone and then start demand zone and just go long. That's tough. I wouldn't want to put my stop up here. There's not enough. It's just too risky. This market is moving fast. These buyers are buying it up quick. See, look at that. Look at that. That's volatile. Are we getting a bounce right here? Let me go down to a 5-minute on ES and see. Okay, we didn't get the break. We might be pushing higher, but then at the same time we hit a ceiling. We hit this resistance ceiling. If we break this resistance, I'm going long. If we stay below this resistance, I'm gonna continue to stay short. But we are in the middle of range, by the way. So I gotta be careful though. Gotta be real careful because we in this range. Man, that bounce was vicious. A lot of people wanted to get that short too. and it just absorbed that fast. All right, let's see. Let's see what else we got. So how many minutes we got on the high time frames? 22 minutes on the 1 hour, 22 minutes on the 4 hour. Okay, bet. I see what's going on. Let me look at a 4 hour on NQ real quick. Kind of get more confluence. So are we going for these longs? It looks like we possibly can be going for these longs. I'm just trying to figure out, can we get if we can get more development. What I mean is I want to see more confirmation. I want to see it create more information for me to say, hey, this area is getting respected the most. Watch this area. I just need way more confirmation than just volatility up and down. And we'll catch a nice trade. I need way more confirmation. What is this right here? Let me get rid of this. This is okay, we're getting that rejection off the 15 minute. That was a nice rejection off the 15 minute. Can we get that sweep all the way down to that 30 minute? Look at 5 minute on this. Dang, that pop. Look at that pop. My goodness. Volatile market. Okay. Remember that. Everybody tried to catch that short. They thought that shorts were coming because we got the breaker structure. This market is volatile. A breaker structure is cool and all, but this market can just say, nah, I don't want to do it. I don't like it. Let me see if we can get this fair value gap rejection right here. If we get this fair value gap rejection, I might go for this quick scalp short. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me get rid of that. I want to see if we can reject right here. And I'll take my damn. You ain't giving me a chance? Eh? Look at ES. Did ES get the rejection? Nah. Gotta be careful, y'all. Gotta be careful. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, so market has been open for 10 minutes already. ES look like it's trying to respect this 30 minute, 15 minute? 30 minute, yeah. ES is like it's trying to respect this 30 minute. I wanna see us reject this point. I wanna see ES at least try to reject this. Let's see. I hope it does. That would be nice if it can reject. 15 minute, 3 minute. Let me look at NQ. NQ is trying to pump. You're trying to pump right here? It's crazy. My goodness. 3 minutes left until this 15 minute closes. 18 minutes on the higher time frames. Hey, if we respect, hey, y'all know what's happening. If we're respecting this 4 hour internal fair value gap, I'm gonna go long. Just saying. But if we continue to not damn, we are pumping, man. This market is volatile, y'all. This literally, if you're reading the footprints, you're just seeing a lot of buys and sells just pumping the market and selling it and dumping it. So y'all gotta be very careful right now. You don't want to get whipsawed and chopped up in this market. I'm gonna put another stop. I'm gonna put another fair value gap right here to kind of give way more confirmation that if we can respect this fair value gap, see if we can respect this 5 minute fair value gap right here and get a rejection before I take this trade. You know, a lot of people are trying to take the shorts, but we're gonna see. Wow, what kind of bounce was that? Took out some liquidity and then just bounce. Wow. That was a big move. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That was a big move. Oh my goodness. Wow. And the sellers, they even dry up all the way. It just literally just pumped. You feel what I'm saying? It just pumped. Like the sellers, they it was still on the tape and they just went. Yeah. Whew. Man, 50 to 90 is like crazy in a matter of seconds like that. It's crazy, y'all. We still got some imbalance above the field, I think. I'm gonna see if he's gonna fill this imbalance and take the shorts out. About to see right now. I think we might still pump a little bit, to be honest with y'all. Is that imbalance? Or this is a print, the charts are not printed right. Remember, we gotta be patient because this market is volatile, y'all. ES is not pumping. It's staying in range. Let me put this right here. I wanna see this. Ooh, my goodness. Oh my goodness. 10-point moves. We didn't get the break on that. ES is breaking down. ES is breaking down. Let me see if we can get that rejection on the 15-minute. Let me see. Hey, I'm just waiting for more confirmation. Once I get more confirmation, I'm taking the trade. But this market's so volatile, it's pumping and dumping at the same time. Now organic. Gotta be patient. Patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. You will find a trade. You don't want to trade in the chop. Unless you want to take it. I mean, if you're one of them people that like taking trades, then, by all means, do it. Me, on the other hand, I ain't doing it. I ain't trying to mess myself up. So we ain't tapping to that. Let me make these smaller. I don't like how big these lines are. No sellers on the books. I think the buyers are going to come in a little bit. Hey, yo, damn, they ain't got no sellers. Oh my goodness. This thing is pumping. Straight pumping. I would have took that trade, but man, that's a little too aggressive. Y'all hear me? That's a little too aggressive. My goodness. I know we got the build up and all, but man, it's just not right. Like I said, stay patient. The trade's gonna come. Just gotta be patient. All right, so 15 minutes just printed. 15 minutes just printed. We didn't get the break on the 15 minute. 30 minutes got, let's see, are we gonna get that break all the way down? 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm just trying to get more confirmation that the shorts might want to come in. 4 hour, 1 hour. Let me see right here. Let me put this as a let's see what we got. What we doing right here? Make this the red zone. We are in range, so you don't want, if you do want to trade it, you trade in chop. Alright, just making sure that we holding this. I want to see us hold this 4 hour. If we can hold this 4 hour fair value gap, I'm going long. But we got a small amount. We got 13 minutes until that candle closes. I just don't know if we're going to continue to pump or we're going to continue to reject this resistance. ES is rejecting resistance, so I'm just trying to see. The more confirmation, the better. So some of the confirmations that I do have, I have a resistance right here, right? Right here. Come on. Resistance right here. We're having a rejection on every time frame, and we went short. That's 2 confirmations for the shorts, right? Even though we had the bounce. I mean, that's cool. No, we had the bounce. But the thing is, I just want to see us come and fill this imbalance below. I want to see us come fill it. That's the thing. I'm waiting for more confirmation to say, hey, we're rejecting again at this point. Put this right here. 15 minute. They're the same. Damn, we are falling down like a falling knife. Oh my goodness. That's the thing. It's like it doesn't. It's like it's not giving you confirmation. It's just dropping and pumping and dropping and pumping. That's volatility, and I'm trying not to trade that because I don't want to get whipsawed. That's all. That's all it is. I just don't want to get whipsawed. Let me put this on all time frames. Let me put this on all intervals. Surprisingly, it's not putting it on all intervals. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. It's loading down here. See, watch this. It should fix it right now. See? Wow. Can we get this rejection and go short? Or we gonna respect this 15-minute fair value gap and go long? The footprints are showing really sideways motion right now, guys. So I'm trying to be careful before I take this trade. I don't want to get faked out. I just don't want to get faked out. We didn't get the break on the 15-minute. Yeah, something in my heart is telling me just wait, just wait. I think that's just the call and saying, hey, be patient. The trade is gonna come. I think this right now is Monday. Everybody excited to get back in the markets. We barely even got any news. The market's just pumping and dumping quick. Filling in them orders maybe from over the weekend. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be really patient and sit on hands because you don't want to get chopped up and then faked out because you thought that. Like, I'm gonna tell you what I mean by faking out. Like, for example, I'm seeing like I said, I got the 15-minute right here, right? We got the 15-minute, we got a 30, we got a 4-hour fair value gap right here. We got a 15-minute right here, right? It's pushing past this and then bouncing. It might be bouncing off of this. Like, it'll push past it and bounce. Like, you would think that, watch this. Oh, it's not, it's breaking this half point. It's breaking this yellow line half point. But then at the same time, it's pushing down and then it's jumping back up. Pushing down and then bouncing back up. You're getting faked out. I don't want to take that. Also, we're getting a build-up right here. I like that, but at the same time, it's too volatile. I don't want to get chopped up and get faked out to some point where I think that it might be pushing and it's not pushing. So you gotta be really careful, guys. This market is really trying to fake people out, chop people up. It's a Monday. Now this could be the push. This could be a nice push. We're gonna see. 4-hour prints in 9 minutes. 1-hour prints in 9 minutes. 30-minute prints in 9 minutes. This could be a nice bounce. We're gonna see. The only way I'm gonna take the trade is what? Break a structure. That's the only way. That's the only way I'm taking this trade. Man, do I look sleepy on this thing? Oh my goodness. Look like I aged a little bit. But yeah, I was in the sun like all weekend. So I might be sunburned. We're gonna see. Might start seeing my skin peel a little bit or something. But yeah, the only way I want to take a trade is you get breaker structure. Do y'all see any breaker structure anywhere? Let me know. Do you see a breaker structure right here? And also, do you see a breaker structure right here? No, I don't see no breaker structure. I don't see it. Until I get a breaker structure, I'm taking the trade. I don't see it. Also, I don't see it on NQ either. I see it right here, but I don't want to get chopped up and drop. I'm waiting for way more confirmation. The more confirmation, the better. We got the resistance. We got the bounce. We're going to see if we can get in this. We can break this range or go short and reject this range. We're going to see. That's all I'm waiting on. It's respect or reject. And I want to see a breaker structure that closes. When a minute say, oh, this thing closed past this point, go long. This thing rejected at this point, go short. But shout out to y'all in the chat though. Let me know if the charts are like loading wrong though. If the charts are like not loading, they lagging. Let me know in the chat. Please let me know so I can fix it. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. This thing is pumping. Whew. Buyers about to get faked out though. You really gotta be careful, man. This market here is just it's vicious. You gotta be careful. You would think this right now is a long, and then it just drop on you. We in this range. On a 1 hour, it's rangy. That's why you don't want to trade this market right now, because look at this. What you see? I see range. Oh, this is a big pop. This might go long. 6 more minutes. Hey, you got 6 more minutes. This thing got to get above this high. In 6 minutes, this 1 hour got to push. In 6 minutes, this 4 hour got to push. If we don't get that close and we don't get that follow through, you're going to see a rejection. You got to be careful. See, we're not even getting out the range. Anybody that caught, ooh, is Inc ES breaking down? Hold up. Let me get rid of this line. Let me also put this right here. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Are we rejecting on Inc ES, or are we respecting this 5-minute fair value gap? We're gonna see. 3-minute rejection. 2-minute rejection. 1-minute rejection. We're gonna see. Just need more confirmation. 5-minute rejection. Can we get a 15-minute rejection? A 30-minute, a 1 hour, and a 4 hour in the next 5 minutes. That's all I'm waiting for is confirmation. And you'll have a better trade, and you'll feel way much more risk stress-free from the trade. Just waiting on it. Five minutes until these candles closes. We're hitting resistance too, so we gotta see us. But if we want to get past this, we gotta break this we gotta break this high on a 1 hour, and we gotta break this resistance. And literally, we'll see a push all the way up into this previous day high. Maybe tap into this 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, which we already tapped. We got some liquidity above too. We're gonna see. Can we push? Can we get that push? All right. 4 minutes, everything's gonna print. Okay, ES got above. Uh-oh. Break back down. Remember, market sideways. So if you in this trade, you in chop. You trading chop. You probably scalping in and out, getting in and getting out. And I don't feel like doing that. I ain't got the patience for that. I mean, I ain't got the energy for that right now. Just be patient, y'all. The move gonna happen. That's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. Okay, we're just waiting. Once we get out this chop, I'll take that trade. And once I see a break of structure, we got how many minutes left? 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. That's all you got. That's all you need. Resistance right here. Got the build up right here. Got the bounce right here. Can we go long? Ooh, there was an imbalance right here. I didn't even see it. Oh my goodness, I didn't see this. Oh man, I didn't see that. I'm tripping. It's all good though. Build up on a 4 hour. Build up on a 4 hour. On a 4 hour. 2 more minutes left. We're gonna see. Oh, why is he crying? Hey, yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, 30 seconds left, y'all. 30 seconds left. Everything prints. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. We are in the range. I think it's best if I don't see a trade, I might have to not take the trade today. Or come back later. You can come back later and take a trade, but I gotta be careful though, because I don't want to get caught up into this consolidation. A lot of consolidation. Here we go. All right, we just printed. See where we can go. Okay. 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 Everything just printed. ES and YM weak is, yeah, I get it, but it's weak, but it's still in range. It looks weak, but on a higher time frame, it's weak. But look, watch this. If that's the case, this candle could even get low past this wick. Like this red candle could even go down. We could even continue to go ahead a continuation going short. But look, we're still pumping though. We're gonna see. ES do look weak. YM do look weak. I can see it on the other stuff too, like all the different instruments. It just, we didn't get the follow through. That's the hard part. And we're pushing right back up. Now we might have that rejection and go short, but we gotta see. I gotta see it. Right? This might be long. This could be long. I gotta be careful though. I wanna see if I can get that full break. We got the bounce at the 30-minute though. Right here too. Perfect bounce. We're gonna see. If we get down to this red line, y'all know what time it is. I got this red dotted line for both of them. That's like, yeah, for sure, we gotta do this break. But we're gonna see. Jazzy Jeff. Ooh, wait a minute, hold up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. It's about to get volatile. Let's look, yeah, you might be right. It's about to start getting weak. Okay, NQ. I will take a ES short though. If it's, ooh. Continue to get that rejection. But I don't want to see it continue to pump. Yeah. 15 minute didn't get the pass, right? I mean, not 15 minute, 5 minute. Damn, we didn't get the break short on the 5 minute. I mean, on the 15 minute. And I would like to see these shorts. I would like, hey, look, I would like to see these shorts come in. Trust me, I would. I would love to take the shorts now. I know we're not getting a break. I know we're hitting resistance. We had a bounce. It just, I want to see way more confirmation. I don't want to get constantly faked out and constantly faked out and constantly faked out and then the shorts happen. I want to see it happen. I want to see it say, hey, we can't do it no more. Like, it literally is constantly developing and saying that it can't push no more. For the most part, these candles are long. So it still looks like buyers are in control to me. I just need a little bit more confirmation before I take this short. ES is looking short. For sure, but I gotta get more confirmation. I just need more confirmation. This sideways, look at this. Chop, chop, chop. Might have a breakdown to this 30-minute though. We're gonna see. Look at it, 1 hour. Oh, here we go. 4 hour. I'm gonna take the scalp short. I might take this scalp short. I'm gonna do. Let me see. I'm gonna look at a footprint. Give me some more. I have 2 confirmations for the short. I just need some more. I just need a couple more before I take it. I want to see if these. I want to see if these buys drying up. Buys drying up on no, they're not. No, they're not. They're still trying to hold this level. They're trying to hold this level. Buy still holding on the 15-minute. Buy still holding on the 10-minute. Look at the 3-minute. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Flip. Tick chart. Still pushing. Fake out. Fake out. Fake out. Fake out. Fake out. ES, can it continue to have this continuation going short? We're gonna see. Fake outs, man. Just not with it. ES look good for the shorts. Oh man, ES do look good. Come on, NQ, give me more confirmation. Tough, 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 tough. Tough, tough, tough. They're faking y'all out, man. I see it. You might have 1 or 2 confirmations and then you gotta line it all up. Now, it might happen right here. This might be confirmation, but they're just accumulating. Then you're gonna see the fake out, and then you're gonna see the drop. Or see the fake out, and then you're gonna see the pop. I'm waiting for the pop. I'm waiting for the drop. But right now it's pop. Ooh, hold up. Let me put this. Come on. Let's go. Give us that drop. Give us that follow through. I'm waiting for it. Just give us that follow through. Just say, hey, bow, we done. No more buyers. It's it. We at the resistance. I ain't trying to get faked out. That's the catch. I'm just not trying to get faked out. We in this range. It looks like we pumping. We still building up. You know what I'm saying? I just want to see us not say, hey, we can't push this no more. We gotta go down. There's no choice but to go down. But we just being patient, though. We're just being patient. Daily trying to look. The daily looks long. Daily looks long. That's the catch. Bouncing at this zone right here. Imbalance below though, but it don't have to take it out. You know, it don't have to go short because look, if we got imbalance, we got so much imbalance below, but it doesn't have to take it out. It don't have to. Like that's the catch. It don't have to do that. It don't have to go short if it wants to, but it can, but it don't have to. Just because you see imbalance don't mean it has to go short. Once I get more confirmation that these things want to go short, we taking it. On the 30-minute, we bounce. We take out liquidity and we can bounce right here. You know what I'm saying? Look at a 4 hour. Y'all, this is tough. It's a tricky market. If you don't see your trade, you don't have to take the trade. It's just that simple. You don't have to trade today. Like right now, I'm not trading because I'm not seeing a trade. Nothing is telling me, hey, get into it right now. I see it, but I just don't see it I don't think that it's ready. That's what I mean. Like I could take it, but does it look ready? Not to me. No sellers are on these books right now. They're literally dried up on a 10-minute. 5-minute, no sellers are on the books. 3 minutes, no sellers. 2 minutes, it's drying up. It's trying to go long. And we're between zones, between the 30-minute and a lot of little zones. So we're gonna see. Can we get the breakout? Jazzy Jeff. Jazzy Jeff. Man, these sellers are nowhere to be found. Where you at? They're gonna drop down again. It's gonna drop, and then it's gonna pop back up again probably. You gotta be careful. We're just waiting for these sellers. If the shorts come in, waiting for the buys to drop. If the longs come in, we're waiting for these sellers to dry up. But they're like, we're in range. If I go to a 1 hour right now on the footprints, the range is so sideways that it doesn't know where it wants to go. Literally each hour, the highest volume is literally like this. It's not like this or this or this. The point of interest is literally straight across. I don't like that on a higher time frame. It's almost like an indecisiveness on where the market may want to go. I don't like that. Wait a minute, on the 30-minute, the long's looking strong. I might catch a long. You want to go? Yeah. All right. All right, be careful out there. Ah, I missed it. Oh my goodness, as soon as I clicked it, it popped. Come on, stop below the lows. I'm gonna risk 232. Wow, unbelievable. That's okay though. I'm gonna go for these highs right here. This previous day high. Let me look at ES. See if we continue have that continuation. Wow. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. As soon as I wanted to catch that pop. Can we get that break? Did we get that break? Ooh, I don't like that. Did we get the break? We got the break on that. 5-minute. Can we get that push? Follow through? Let's go. I ain't like that entry. I mean, I like that I went long. I don't like the entry. I was trying to get in early and it literally did not load my entry. Like my entry was just like non-existent. I don't like that. I don't like that. See if we can get that push. Let's get that follow through. If we don't get that follow through, I'm gonna get out and take these profits. Wow. 15-minute. Can we get that push? 3-minute, 2-minute. Everything's still looking long. No sellers on the books right now. I think we still in the green. I think we still good. I just gotta see it follow through. Man, these sellers are trying to come in and push this market back down. Wish they can, you know? Wish they could. I'm gonna still hold though. Wow. It really just like my entry was literally right here, but it literally put a limit order up here. That is annoying. You know what I'm saying? That is annoying. But we in it though. It's all good though. Sellers are trying to push this market back down. Big time. Sellers are trying to push this market back down. Oh, they tricky. They trying to trap. Can these sellers get absorbed? Can these sellers get absorbed? $15-minute. Up 100. Can we get that push, that follow through? Look at the 10-minute. All right, I think we in the clear. I think we good. I think we just gotta get that pop. We got 2 minutes left until this candle close. You know what? I'm gonna take out some. I might just take out. Just in case he wants to close on me. All right, I'm taking out 130. I'm taking out at this part right here. I'm taking out. We got 173. I'm taking out. I'm gonna take out. We got 2 minutes left until this 15-minute closes, right? But ES is hitting resistance. That's what I'm afraid of. I had a feeling that we was gonna come and tap into this and maybe just drop. I don't want to see a big old drop, but I'm seeing it's trying to pick up. But if it starts popping more, then we good. But I just don't. I'm scared right here. This part right, I'm not scared, but this part right here is like alarming to me. I like that big pop. That was nice. Whoever got in that trade, good job. Good job. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Can we get a retracement and get back in the longs? That would be nice. The question is, are we getting a break to continue long? That's the question. Are we getting a break to continue long? We got the bounce, right? We didn't get the drop on 4 hour, so we are pushing higher. I like that. But the thing is, this is what I find very strange, right? Look right here. We pretty much gapped right here. We didn't even come and fill this in, right? We didn't even wick right here or nothing. That's alarming to me. So I don't know if we might come back down because I was thinking about this. I was thinking about this the whole time. This right here was like on a 4 hour was something I was thinking about the whole time. Like when we gonna get this, right? It's like non-existent. It just popped. I could have went in heavy when I saw the sellers got absorbed, but let me see. Yeah, amazing. Amazing trade, though. Good job if you got into that trade. And good job being patient and not getting faked out. This market was trying to fake everybody out. The market was trying to make people think that we was going to drop, which we still can. But just got to be mindful that this market is not giving people any chance. It's Monday, barely have any news. It's a bank holiday. So expect chop. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. No wick below means no selling pressure at all. Yeah, but at the same time, to me, it's still considered. I consider that an imbalance, like as if it could still come back down and feel that, like you know what I mean. Like there's no pressure, there's no selling pressure, but at the same time, they were on the books, but that's an imbalance that still need to be filled. It's almost like as if like it can fill it up later. Like that's what I'm saying. Like I'm afraid like how volatile the market has been today, that we can probably print again and go right back down to the shorts. That's what I'm just saying. So we can still see the longs come through, but at the same time, I just don't like that we didn't push through this for the longest. And I was afraid that if we do go up, I don't want to get chopped up and go down. That's all. I'm just afraid of that. No pressure still can mean selling pressure. Selling pressure can still come in because look, we still at the resistance, right? We still at this resistance. You can still have a ghost seller that could be sitting in the books and be waiting to sell this market and hit everybody that's buying it up and then drop it. I'm just safety first, bro. But thanks, Joe. Thanks, hey, thanks for that. Thanks for that mention, Nathan. There was no selling pressure for sure, but we're hitting that ceiling, and I'm afraid of us rejecting this ceiling and then going back down. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can this market continue to push? Or can we get this? Are we going to get a rejection at this point and go short? We're gonna see. It still looks long. Don't get me wrong. It still looks long. I'm shocked that we even get a wick on that candle. Like that's crazy to me, especially when we had all of this wicking. It's crazy to me. I still want to see this come down though. USD powering up for sure. Yeah, definitely this. Yeah, that's true. Hey, what am I about to say? What was I about to say? Dang, I lost my train of thought. Still pushing along. Yeah, we're gonna push. Should I get back into this trade? Nah, I might just wait. Yeah, yes, it can. That's one thing I've been thinking that too. We're gonna see. Nathan says 21,810. Looks feasible. Looks feasible. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. These loans came in strong. Not even one wick, bro. It's you not seeing a wick on a 4 hour is mind-boggling. Like for real. Not even on a 1 hour is crazy. Not even on a 30-minute is crazy. Pete, that pressure was so like the pressure was hard below, but for some reason it's just I just find it so strange that we didn't even get a wick, bro. That's wow. Wow. What else? What else? I could have missed something too. Let me see. Yeah, that's nice. Gotta look back. Wow. We'll see. We'll see. Everybody wants to buy now. Everybody wants to buy this. But I want to make sure that we don't got no crazy, some passive seller just sitting in the books ready to dump this market. That's all I'm waiting for. But it's probably not gonna happen because it's a no news day. We're gonna see. Since it's a no news day, we're probably not gonna see no crazy seller. But I'm expecting a lot of range, though. Can we continue to go long and fill this imbalance above? All I want to see is a break. All I want to see is a break of structure on the 4 hour. I want to see a break of structure on the 1 hour. I want to see a break of structure on the 30-minute. And I don't mean by break of structure like right here. You know what I mean? I don't want to see a break of structure right here. Like I don't want to just see it right here. I want to see it right here. This to me is like a, you know, it could be liquidity grab, trap, print, drop. I don't want to be a part of that. But I do want to see the markets break this and then go long and respect this previous day high. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So let's see. ES, get the break. Can you get a 1 hour break? Can you get a 4 hour break? Can you get a 30-minute break? I just want to see a break of structure. And we still pushing. Sellers are trying to buy, they getting absorbed though. Every time the sellers come in, the buyers keep trying to absorb them. That's crazy. That's a nice move. Hey, we might get back into it long. If we keep respecting this resistance, I'm sorry. If we keep respecting this resistance turn, if we keep respecting this resistance turn support, I'm gonna buy it. But I want to see us come back into it, respect it, and go long. Tongue tied, I had it like the. Speaking retarded, what platform you trading on? Oh, I'm trading on TopStep. I don't know. Can you see it? TopStep? Is it showing it? Let me see. Oh, I don't got it. This TopStep. You know what TopStep is on futures? Come on, ES, where you at? ES is like taking its sweet time. Rejection at this point? Keep it on the 15-minute, 30-minute. Alright, bet. We're gonna see. I don't, to be honest. What you trade? You trade Forex? You trade prop firms? You trade any prop firms? I be using Trade Locker. So you use Forex. I got so many out there. It's crazy. This is top stuff. I mean, either way, you know, we all trade the same instruments. Even if it was Forex, man, we still trade the same. We know what support and resistance is, supply and demand is. We all use the same terminology. The only thing that don't use the same is options, and they use Greek. Man, this thing is pumping. I should have held this trade. Whew. I was about to add more. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was about to add more. When we was down here, I was about to add more, but I was afraid that we might get a little crazy. Man, these sellers are getting absorbed. They're trying to sell this market, but it's not letting them. Yes, sir, Forex and nah, exactly. You say nah, exactly. They're not the same. I mean, yeah. What you're trading currency, but at the same time, the whole mechanism of supply and demand, it's all the same. You take our highs, You might see a rejection and go low. Check out the lows, you might see a rejection and go high. You might see a bounce and go high. Only one I wouldn't trade it. The only one I haven't really traded in a while was options, and I just can't sit there and just. I can't do Greek all day. I can't do it. I gotta trade Forex. I like futures because of the taxes. Just the tax brackets and the tax deals you get off of futures. I love the deals. I feel like it's just so much better, so much lenient. You know, you save a lot more. You're not hit with harsh percentages. That's why I like futures a lot. And I like man, I just love the volatility on Nasdaq. That's why I love trading futures. I done Forex one. I think I did Forex one time, and it was a while ago, like 3 years ago. And I kind of liked it, the pairs, but then again, it's like I don't know. I just once I came to futures, I just love the volatility. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Definitely, just technicals and fundamentals is simple. Man, they really pushing this. Like, even when it's look like it's about to dry up, it's really pushing. Wow. I'm just waiting for a re-entry. I'm waiting for a re-entry. That's what I'm waiting on. Get me back in there, coach. Put me back in the game, coach, so I can play. I'm ready to play. You trade gold, bro. Gold is on fire right now. Gold is on fire. I could trade gold right now, but I just haven't been charting it. Like I gotta stick. I do NQ and ES just to like watch them, cause I love using Confluence. But man, when I do hop on gold, gold is just like I look at the charts on my gold. I look at my charting on gold and go, dang, I gotta erase so much stuff. I gotta redo all this. It's just I try to keep myself limited to like only a couple, cause I get kind of lazy and sloppy when it comes to trading different instruments. Some people can do it. I don't say how everybody can trade so much. I don't get it. I like to trade just one or two and that's it. If I try adding any more, it just, man, I get so lost. But gold is on fire right now. Yep. 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 So his pairs, y'all, he trade gold and he trades the pairs GJ. That's what he said? Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get that drop. I wanna see us get a drop. Get that drop, get that drop. No, we're gonna keep pumping. Sellers keep getting absorbed. They think they trying to fill this back in as a balance, but that's not gonna happen. I mean, it could happen, but they're not giving it to him. Yeah, they're trying to push us. All right, hopefully we don't sideways right here because I don't like how this look right now. See if we got anything right here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. 5 minute. We got anything on a 5 minute. Okay. Okay. Man, gotta hit the Discord up. I know your brother Cody, and there's enough money for all of us pimp. You know, oh yeah, Nathan. Oh yeah, for sure. I forgot. Yeah, that's you. For sure, always enough. There's enough room at the top. Most definitely. Always enough room at the top. Man, we getting that pump. Yes, sir. Man, you in a Discord? Just waiting for some more information, y'all. That's all. Just waiting for more information. And a respect on the 4 hour too. That was confirmation that these loans won't come in anyway. I should have known. I should have paid attention to that. Like right here. For sure. Sometimes I miss it because I don't pay attention. Look right here. Look how beautiful that bounce was. Now, why wouldn't the loans come in? Of course. I should have went heavy right here. Let's see if we can get a retracement. See if we can get a retracement and get back into a long. So we did break through the I said we did break through the resistance. I mean, it wasn't a strong resistance. I mean, they didn't really have no higher tops right here. Let's see what else we got. This might be the actual resistance right here. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's right. All right, we're gonna see what happens right here. ES hasn't even moved. ES barely even budging. Let me get rid of this. This is all nonsense. Get rid of all of this. Took out that liquidity, had that bounce. Textbook. Liquidity had a bounce. People try to sell the market off, couldn't sell it. Can we get a retracement back into this 5-minute fair value gap and go long? I'm gonna look at NQ and see if we can do the same thing. Let me look at high time frame. Yeah, man, definitely. Discords will help you. When it comes to trading, you need somebody. It's best to have somebody to trade with to keep you on your toes. Me, on the other hand, I use y'all. I be using y'all like to watch me, but I trade on my own. But I need to find somebody that sees how I trade, and I can see how they trade, and we can both kind of like put it together. I don't want to really get with traders that, I mean, I don't mind talking to all traders, but I don't want to get with a trader to kind of like say, hey, take this trade, don't take this trade. That can really throw me off, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, Quasi, my dude, hope you staying locked in, my guy. Hey, what's up, Tavon? YouTuber like you, I'm trying to be like YouTuber like you, I'm trying to be, man. Any serious tips, but for real, some real advice on especially like streaming and building the channel. Okay. Thanks for the love and support. Appreciate you, Tavon. Really appreciate you, dog. My word of advice is this. Give it to the Lord. Isaiah chapter 48, verse 18. If only you had paid attention to my commands, your peace would have been like a river, your well-being like the waves of the sea. Right? God says that what is agreement there between the temple of God and idols? 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 16. For we are the temple of God. We got to give our life to God. He's going to give us that direction. He's going to give you that clearance. So make sure that you're going to choose between this worldly stuff or you're going to choose between God. You give it to God. You pray in the morning. You pray at night. You pray all day. And he's going to align your path and make sure that your plans succeed. That's the truth. He's going to make sure your plans succeed. Because what he says right here is, if you are the temple of God, he's going to live within you. He's going to walk amongst you. He will be your God, and you will be his people. Come out from being separated from him. Come out from all of the idols, from all of the evil doing, from all of the things that's materialistic, and give it to the Lord. Touch no unclean thing, and he will receive you. God, glory be to God. He is holy, so he wants you to be holy. Give it all to him. Pray to him. But what I can tell you, my advice to you is to give it to God first. Give it to God. Second, if you're going to be a YouTuber, the one thing I've done was I did a lot of following the trends. Once I see a lot of trends in certain areas that I was looking for, like say if it was pranks, challenges, trading, I look for the trends. Where everybody's focus is at. I take that information, I bring it to God and say, hey, can you help me with what I'm seeing, what I'm thinking? What is nonsense and what is clarity? What can help me grow and what can help me succeed in this direction? Once you find that path, once you get that understanding and the discernment, you go with it. Don't look back. I mean, it's not hard to get a computer, get a camera, get a microphone, record yourself, but be yourself. First, go to find God, stick with God, be yourself, follow the trends, and just keep it pushing and just keep being consistent. Right now, I don't have the most followers right now. Like I don't have the most followers. But if I stay persistent and I give my life to God, I will see it. Eventually this is going to grow. And if it don't grow, then I just keep on going, But I think most of all, it's not about this. It's all about this to me. I need this more than anything. The scripture. I need this more than anything. I think this is more important than anything. Because it's going to keep me on my toes. All right. He says right here, he said the people we was once walking in darkness. We all walking in darkness. We all trying to figure out which way to go, right? Everybody's looking which way to go, which road to take, which trade to take, you know? We all walking in darkness, but we see the great light. We see it, right? It's dawned on us. That light has dawned on us. That's God. So we got to make sure that we continue to seek that light. And it's going to be easy. The road's going to be clear. You're going to have all the discernment, all of the wisdom, all of the clarity. Give it to the infinite God, the infinite above. He's eternal. That's my advice. And your path, I can tell you, I can say, do this trend, do that trend, do this, do that. But I could be setting you up for failure and you don't even know it. But the best advice is give it to God. And one day you're going to have your own path and you're going to find your own way. And it's going to work out so much easier that way. That's my advice, bro. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I can give you all of the best advice, but the best one I can give you is give it to the Lord. Because he'll give you a better eye. He can put you in a better spot than I am. Real talk. I mean, it ain't nothing to go, oh, I can make a TikTok video and copy the trend and make views. I mean, that's easy. Anybody can do that. But to have the right path, so you don't fall, so you build your foundation on rock, give it to the man above. Because somebody can give you advice, do this, do that, do this, do that. And that's wisdom. That could be wisdom too. But he gonna make sure that you don't fumble. All right, so we did push into this previous day high on NQ, right? Nice little push. Got the push. ES is still kind of pushing, but it's taking its time though. Yo, that's real tough. But I just love the scripture, and you just reference quite say, like, damn, you really helped me realize that strategy, man. I appreciate that. Seriously, thank you, man. That meant a lot. Man, God bless you, bro. God bless you. Hey, what's up? That's what's up, Nathan, too, for sure. God bless you, bro. I mean, hey, if you want to stick around, that's cool. I do spread the word Monday through Friday. I just spread the word to keep people on their toes. You know, iron sharpen iron. I sharpen you, you sharpen me. I'm not wise at all. I mean, I'm just a foolish man that's seeking God. That's it. That's the truth. I'm just a young dude that's trying my best to align myself with God and make sure that I'm not fumbling and stepping on my own toes. Because there's going to be a season when you rise. There's going to be a season when you fall. There's going to be a season when you cry. There's going to be a season when you mourn. There's going to be a season for all. But if you give it to the Lord, He going to make sure that you don't have to feel that pain. Like He said right here. He says right here, if only you had paid attention to my commands, your peace would have been like a river. Man, that's crazy, man. Isaiah chapter 48, verse 18. Pay attention to Him. He's talking to us. Okay, he going. Oh. Hey, God says right here. God says right here. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. God says, man, and this is too. And he said God is going to give you the crown of life. He said if you can make it through the tests and the trials and the temptations, He will hand you the crown of life. Man, you a soldier, man. You a soldier. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves. If you want to be God's disciple, you must deny yourself. Take up your cross and follow Him. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it. But whoever loses their life for His name's sake will find it. Right? What good is it for a man to have all, like you already know the saying, what good is it for you to have the whole world and to lose your soul? And that don't mean that, oh, if I sold my soul, if I got all of the riches, I sold my soul. What that means is If you focus on materialistic, if you focus on idols, you're losing yourself and you're losing your relationship with God. If you want to be his disciple, you want to have him in your temple on your side, because if you got God on your side, who can be against you? Whoever wants to be God's disciple, you must deny yourself. What that means is you're denying what you believe in, what you thought was wise, what you thought was smart, all of your slanders, all of your lies, all of your lust, all of the things that are unholy, everything that's unholy, deny that. Pick up your cross every single day. You pick up your cross, you walk with that cross with Jesus. For whoever wants to save their life, like if you're trying to your best to save it, oh, I gotta keep up with the Joneses, I gotta keep up with the trends, I gotta keep up with this, I gotta keep up with that. Nothing wrong with trying things out, but if you give it to the God, he will establish your way the right way. You know, money ain't evil. It's just only if the tool can be used as evil. You know, you pick up your cross every day, you walk with God, and you deny yourself, and you willing to lose your life, which means that you willing to lose a lifestyle that you are so accustomed to. He's going to give you a whole new life. Because remember, God is good at taking broken things, putting it together, and giving it new meaning. God is good at taking broken things, broken people, putting it together, and giving it new meaning. Right? Man, them words of wisdom comes from the book, man. That's from scripture. That's all scripture, bro. That's all scripture. The Bible never fails to amaze me every single day. It's amazing how, bro, it's perfect. You pick up your cross. You're gonna face those trials. Your friend gonna face those trials. You pick up your cross every day, deny yourself, watch God hand you the crown of life. You're gonna be like, oh my God, I'm blessed. The next day, you don't never know. You might be blessed with whatever it is. He's gonna bless you. He sees all, he knows all, he's watching you. He's with you at this very moment, giving you free will to live your life however you want, waiting for you to come back to him and call on him. He loves you. Right? I'll make sure my kids ain't going crazy back there. Right? First Chronicles chapter 16, verse 34. God, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Give thanks to him for when you're going through hard times. You know, give thanks to him when you're blessed, you know. His faithful love endures forever. God bless you, man. Let's see if we get this pump, because I'm trying to see if we're gonna continue to go long or we're gonna get the rejection. Let's see. All right, give me 1 second, y'all. Let's go ahead and. All right, so we are moving sideways by this previous day high. So we finally tapped into the previous day high on NQ, right? Finally tapped into the previous day high on NQ. We got 18 more minutes for this 1 hour prints. We hit this high right here. Let's see if we can get this rejection and go short. I want to see if we can go short. I'm gonna go down on ES. Can ES continue to have the pump? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I don't know, but it looks like we might continue to go long. Okay, so ES is getting that rejection. All right. ES is getting a rejection. We're gonna see if it had a continuation going short. Trying to see if NQ gonna follow through and follow suit. Also got a fair value gap right here. 15-minute fair value gap right here. See, let's respect this 15-minute fair value gap and go long. Big rejection. Bounce. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm back. Why am I red? Oh my goodness. What is going on? Camera. Camera. I can't be red on here. All right. All right. All right. All right. Are we getting this rejection? 5 minute ES. Yo, so we still in this range. It's still rangy. To me, this is still rangy, but we're going to see. Big drops. Big drops. Hey, yeah, for sure, man. Give it to God. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. Glory be to God, man. Without him, you wouldn't have nothing. Everything belongs to him. He sees all and he knows all. And when that moment comes, when it's time to say it's done, it's done. And remember, if God gives you something, nobody can take it away from him. Nobody can take away something from you that God has given you. Remember that. So if it's given from you by God, it can't be taken away. All right. Unless he takes it away. Let's see. Are we getting this rejection on... I want to see us get into this 15 minute and respect this. If we can respect this 15 minute, that would be nice. 15 minute. We are at the previous day high though. And we right above this resistance zone. Hopefully we can use this. We use this as support, this resistance, this blue little line as support and have a bounce. And hopefully we can have this 15 minute respect and go long. I would like to see us respect this wick right here too. That'd be nice. I'm gonna use this at like a little dash. Put this in the back too. Let me see. Put this in the back. So I'm just trying to get more confirmation. Maybe right here too. Let me use that too right here. Bop. Bop. All right, bet. So like that. See if we can get the respect. Also with ES, can ES respect this 5 minute fair value gap, which is the internal? I'm gonna call it the IFVG. IFVG right here. Bop. 15 minute. Dang. Hey, I'll be right back, y'all. I gotta use it, bro. I gotta use it real quick. I'll be right back. Hey, just watch the charts for me. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Also, I had to do that to change my adjust the color and the saturation on my face. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, locked in. Oh man, I'm looking rough. All right, let's get it. Like I said, guys, no news day. Nice little pop. I should have took that trade. Should have held it all the way through the previous day high. Okay. Okay. Yes, getting that drop. Whoa, it's getting a little serious out here. Hey. It's getting serious. Wow. And ES is really having those drops. I'm gonna have to get rid of this. This is invalid. All right, let's clean up these charts again. I'm gonna have to clean up these charts again. I think I gotta clean up some stuff. I feel like a lot of stuff is really just invalid, and it's in a way. Chop fest. Rejection right here. We're underneath the previous day high on NQ. I want to see if we can respect this zone. I'm starting to think that this resistance is and support, not it. We're bouncing off VWAP, off of ES. Bouncing off VWAP. Can we have a continuation to go long? I'm gonna put a support right here. See if this is support valid or anything like that. All right, let's see. See if that's a good support or not on a 5 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. All right, let's look at this. I want to see us coming to that. What made me get into trading? So about 3 years ago, right? Keep it short. About 3 years ago, I was. He be calling me pimp. It's crazy word. About 3 years ago, I was doing a lot of like pranks, right? A lot of challenges, and I was getting exhausted from it. And I was like, man, am I gonna be able to do this am I at the age of 30 and 40 and 50? Like, man, who wants to keep doing pranks and challenges and stuff like that all the time? Usually you gotta branch out and grow. And one day I said I needed to look up some new ideas. I knew about trading, it's just that I didn't think it was one of those things. And I knew about stocks, I knew about Forex, I knew about options, I knew about all that, but I didn't know about futures like that. But I knew about trading. I was like, man, I don't know, man. I want to do something else. I want to do this, but I want to branch off. I don't want to do vlogs and show off cars and houses all that. That's gonna get boring. But shopping all day, that's gonna get boring. I didn't know God. I didn't have God in my life. But I think the moment I started seeking God more, the more this became clear. For some reason, it's weird. So I started looking up bright ideas, new ideas. Started searching on TikTok and came across this. And I was like, whoa, what is this? What I did was I started studying it, started getting the hang of the rope, started learning like the ins and out. 3 years took me about 2 years to really get it, to really understand what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling, to even get a strategy, to even have a strategy. Took a while. My kids are going crazy, but anyways, finally took those 2.5 years and finally got it tight, got my whole strategy tight. And then, well, it's gonna still change. And now I'm here. I say, you know what? Since I've been trading for about 2.5 years, going on 3, I should go ahead and start streaming public and start having my following have the whole community hold me accountable of my trades, so I can know that I'm doing something right or if I'm doing something wrong. And here we are. This is it. I'll be right back. Let me go get my kids to calm down real quick. I'll be right back. So yeah, that's pretty much the story. That's how I got into it, and I pray God I stick with it. All right, so we came into this 15-minute. Man, what is going on? So we came into this 15-minute. 4 minutes left into this 1 hour prints. Man, this market has been choppy. I might have to take my little profits and call it a day, y'all. Might have to, but hey, we see that trade, I'm taking it. 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 minutes to the 1 hour. 4 minutes on that one. Just straight rejection on NQ. I mean on ES. Straight rejection. Straight rejection. All right, let's see what else we got. 1 hour. 4 minutes on the 1 hour. 30-minute. Man, I would love to see us bounce like this level. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes until we get I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes until I get more confirmation to take a trade to go long. I want to see us respect these highs, which is the white dotted lines. I want to see us respect this 15-minute, and I want to see us respect this resistance turn support. I want to see all of that play out. We respected the 30-minute. We didn't get the break on the higher time frames, which I like, right? We got the bounce. We got the bounce at the 4 hour. I like that. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So far, I like what I see. I like what I see on these higher time frames. So we got a 4 hour IFVG, which is an inside fair value gap or an inverse fair value gap or internal fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. I like the respect and the bounce on that, on this red candle, on this fair value gap on ES. I like the respect on the 1 hour right here with the bounce on this high right here, also above this fair value FIVG. On the 30-minute, we didn't get the break at this low. I like that for a bounce go long. We got a couple more minutes until these candles print. I want to see us respect this level and continue to go high. If we don't, then we're going to go short. I want to see respect. That's all I want to see. And I want to see these footprints showing that these sellers are drying up, they're getting absorbed, they can't push down, and we go long. That's all of the confirmation that's telling me that we could continue to go long. And if we don't, then it is what it is. Feel that, bro. I always knew you was popping since high school. When I saw you live, I was like, oh shit, he got into trading. That's dope, bro. And exactly took me 2 years. Yeah, it takes you about 2 years for real to really get adjusted to like it's just the screen time. That's really all it is. It's easy to learn what a candle and a wick is, but it's the hard part was really just the screen time, learning the setups, learning the fake outs, learning when the market is in a period of consolidation, or the market is in the months or weeks of just need to sit in an area for liquidity or wait for news. That's the thing. You just need that screen time. That's what all that trading. There's a lot of people that really get good at trading. Like they'll take it for 1 year and they do good. But to me, I feel like everybody got their season when they fall. But the name of the game is risk management. You just gotta, not you. If you already know, you probably Nate that already know risk management. I think the most important thing is learning how to preserve capital. Not worrying about how much you're receiving out of this market, but knowing that what you're willing to risk. If you're willing to risk that $300 or $500 or $1,000, take the trade. If you're not willing to risk it, don't over leverage. If you know how to manage your risk, eventually your wins are going to offset those losses. If you manage risk, your wins going to offset your losses. Even if I can know that and still gamble. I can know that and still blow my accounts because it happens. Your emotions come out. Psychology will make your emotions come out. You'll get emotional. You'll get greedy. You'll get frustrated. You'll get scared. You'll get anxiety. It happens. But if you just know how to say, hey, I'm willing to take this 300 and that's it. That's it. But eventually, once you take those good trades and let it run out and let those trades run, them good trades are going to offset them bad trades every day. As long as you manage risk. As long as you manage risk. Manage your risk, you'll learn how to trade. You'll learn how to hold your accounts. Don't know how to manage your risk, you'll blow your account. Anybody can learn how to bounce. Like how you seeing this, right? Anybody can see, this candle right here bounced at this zone. Like we all see that. But if you know how to put a stop below this point and respect your stop and take your trade, you will get rewarded. But if you're willing to go in heavy, and it drops on you and you can't recover those losses, that's not managing risk. Manage that risk you'll be a successful trader. And I ain't a millionaire yet, but I'm working on it. We're building it. We're stacking every day. Each day we're going to continue to stack and get better. All right, so we having this. Ooh, what is going on? Hold up, I gotta watch this trade. ES on a 15-minute. That's not a fair value. Wait, ES on a NQ on a 5-minute, 15-minute fair value gap. Ooh. 1 hour just printed. Hey yo. Let me try it for 3. Let me try it for 3 right here. Oh no. We got a wick right here. I don't like that. Even though this market might push it up. I don't see no buyers. I don't see no sellers on the books. I don't see no sellers. They might see a lot of buyers. But we also got this wick right here. I don't like this. On ES, look at this gap. If we don't close that thing is pumping. I mean, if we don't close that thing is about to drop. Okay. All right. I want to see us kind of push into this 15-minute, man. I don't want to see us like have a nice, man. We bouncing. Don't get me wrong. We bouncing, but let me get rid of this. Also, I'm gonna keep that. You telling me we're gonna just continue to go long on that? It's crazy. Come on, sellers, dry up. If the sellers keep getting absorbed and the sellers keep getting absorbed, I'm going long. But if not, then we might go short. We're gonna see. I just need more confirmation. See us kind of push down with this 1 hour. Okay. Sideways market trying to figure out which way to go. We bounced off this 1 hour. Can we continue to go long? Sellers look dry on a 2-minute. Sellers look dry on a 3-minute. Sellers look dry on a 5-minute. Can we continue to get that continuation to go long? I might take a long. Let me try for 3 right here. Did they put me in? No. I'm gonna wait because they didn't put me in. How much risk am I on the risk right here? I gotta see how much I'm risking. That's 116 ticks. 116 ticks. I don't know how many pips that is, but 116 ticks. How much is that? If I was to do 2 contracts, $116. Let me go on a 15-minute. Man, I'm liking this trade. I am not joking. I'm liking this trade. I want to see ES come back into this 5-minute. This right here. I want to see us come back into this imbalance right here and fill it. There's no sellers on the books for the. Oh my goodness, yo, this thing might go long. For the 30-minute, 1 hour. Hey yo, I might get along right here. Three contracts. I'm putting my stop below this low right here for a loss of 200. I want to see us push this. I wish my entry was down here. It would have been nice. But it's okay though. All right, so we're getting that 15 minutes of that fair value gap bounce. I got in kind of late because I didn't see the the sellers drawing up. So we're gonna take this trade with 3 micros with the risk of 199 below the lows. I want to see us get that continuation going long. Back for those highs, and if we don't, it's okay. At least we manage risk. That's all that matters. We want to manage risk. If we get back below this point, I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna put a stop for 2 right here. I'm gonna put a stop for 2 at this point right here, below this candle. But I'm gonna have a full stop below the low of this fair value gap. I want to see us get that full push. If not, then the market gonna probably tank. We're gonna see though. Come on, let's get that push. I want to see these sellers get absorbed. Every time we see any sellers, I want to see it get absorbed. I have a Never mind. Never mind. This is a tight spot. Come on, ES. Can you respect this? If ES can respect this area and get that push, I'm gonna get into some more contracts. I want to see these sellers dry up. I really do. I really, really do. Come on, ES. Can you get that? I want to. If ES can get this push down and then fill this up, I'm okay. Never mind. Well, we're just gonna get the pop. It is what it is. The bias is trying to come in. I think the sellers are constantly getting absorbed on the footprints. We're gonna see. I wanted to get in long right here, but I just didn't trust the trade. I see this rejection candle right here. Are we getting a push? Can we get that follow through? I'm gonna put my stop a little bit higher. ES is getting that push. Wow, 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 wow. ES is really creating imbalances. 15-minute, 5-minute. Five-minute. I'm gonna stay on a 5-minute. I'm gonna stay on a 5-minute. Can we hold this area? Can we hold this 855 level? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Nice push. Hey, let's go. We doing it. Small profits, but hey, I'm taking it. We had that. We finally got that 15-minute fair value gap push. We respected on the 5-minute. Nice respect on the 3-minute. I like that. Took out some lows. Took out liquidity right here. Like that. Took out some liquidity. Had a bounce, but where we bounced at? That's the question. I don't want to show us. Oh well, that's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Trying to make sure ES is not going to do some crazy drop. I want to see us hold this level. We can hold this level. I might add more. Oh, my kids are going crazy back there. Come on. If these sellers can dry up, I might add more. Oh, y'all gotta, come on. Y'all gotta be crying. I'm gonna give myself a tight stop right here. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. My kids are crying. I'll be right back. Talk about kids, boy, they go crazy. All right, let's see where we at. All right, so are we getting a continuation? See, look at the 5-minute. Yeah, we still getting that push. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. You know what? I'm gonna put my stop. I'm gonna keep my stop right here. Look at the 5-minute. Are we hitting the fair? No, what we hitting? Let's see. Pushing. We're pushing. Let's see if we can hold this fair value you got right here. I want to see us hold this. If we can hold this, that'd be nice. Please hold this level right here. Boom. Also on ES, can ES get that continuation? Probably not. I might get out if we see a drop. If I see any signs of sellers are coming in. But I want to see them get absorbed. If they get absorbed, I'm gonna buy some more. Wow. They're really trying to sell this market. We got a tough spot though. I like this spot though. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, can we get that push? Man, ES, man. I don't trust ES right now. When I'm saying when I tell you I don't trust ES right now, I don't trust ES right now. ES giving me the looks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. ES don't look right. Nice trade, nice pump. Dang, it's not giving me a chance to add more. Cause the more I want, since I want to add, I'm looking for a drop or a close and then pop. I don't want to see us continue to grind and grind. I'm not gonna add if he keeps grinding higher. But if he can come down, give me a nice area to move my entry a little bit and then pop, I'm taking it. But I like how the sellers are getting absorbed every time we grind higher. Excuse me. 15 minutes close on 15. Let me see. 15 minutes on ES. We got 3 minutes on that ES. Ooh, gotta be careful. Cause remember this is sideways. Let's see. Can we get one more push? I just want to see one more push. Let me look at 5 minutes. Make sure that I'm not fooling myself. Rejection right here. Maybe at this high right here. Let's see. Ooh. 3 minutes on that. All right. Okay, like that. Okay. That's cool. There's a drop. Big old drop. Might be a huge drop. I might add more. Come on. Let me see the sellers dry up. If the sellers can dry up, I'm taking a trade. I'm adding more. Might add 15 more. Dang, they taking off before me. Dang, yo, dang. Put my stop a little tight. Keep my stop tight. I want to see us hold this level. Oh, hold up. Stop solid. I'm trying. I got 2 just in case it drop on me. But I want to see us hold this level. I like how we bounce right here. I really want to see us kind of like come back down. I mean, I kind of got in late. I risked it too much. I risked it too late. I ain't gonna lie to you. I could add more right here too, but it's tricky. It's tricky because we're hitting some important levels right now. A lot of stops are being hit right now. Man, I want to see ES take the ES. I want to see ES take this out, y'all. Oh, so hold up. Give me 1 second. Let me look at this again. This is a strong level I like. FEG stops. We trading. Move this. I want to see absorption. Keep my stop tight. I want to see absorption. I don't care about these profits. I just want to see absorption. I want to see us get absorbed. I want to see these sellers come in and then they can't break and it holds. Especially at this point right here. Ooh, look at that wick. All right. I'm gonna stop a little lower right here. Stop right there below this low right here. Also on the 5 minute, let me see. Damn, you really gonna try to fill in this right here? It's crazy. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about something. Are we not breaking this 30 minute? Hold up. ES is probably about to go for that. What you call it? ES is probably about to go for that field, I think. Oh man, come on. I would like to see NQ hold this level. Why are you breaking so hard? I want to see NQ hold this level. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna keep this right here. Keep the stop tight right here. Take that off. If we can hold this level, I'm gonna add more. Inverse right here. Inverse right here for sure. Uh, 3 minutes. Some fake FEG right here, maybe. Can we hold this? I'm gonna add more here. Like stop. So we can get that bounce right here. Yeah, NQ is about to drop. Yeah, you're right. You might be right. We're gonna see. If it don't, I'm gonna respect that. I'm gonna respect that three loss. Yeah, it's about to drop. We're right below the IFVG. Good looks. I'm taking out. I'm taking out. I'm taking out. I'm out. Man, dang. I was hoping we hold it. I was hoping we hold it. We could, man. We still could, though. Dang, man. Oh well. We still can, though. We gonna see. Get the close above this. Oh, rejection. Come on, let's see. It's a tough spot for a lot of traders right now, bro. That's a tough spot. Ooh, this is a tough spot. This is a tough spot. This is a tough spot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is a tough spot. I'm trying to see 30 minutes. Are we gonna hold that 30 minutes? 30 minutes. 1 hour. Can we hold this level? I'll push down on it a little bit. Sellers coming in. I think sellers might start coming in right now. They're tapping it. Like, hey, yo, the sellers are heavy on this spot, bro. Sellers are heavy on this spot right now. You know what this means? If we're not pushing, come on. Are we gonna hold this spot? Ooh. Hey, yo. It's a tough spot. I might add it to it. I'm gonna put my stop below this low and risk that, I wanna see right here. Ooh, big drop. It took me out. Alright. Okay. It's getting choppy. It's like these levels right here are good ones. We're down 169. Maybe the sellers are about to come in. We're gonna see though, because I wanna see a break. Let me see. Rejection on the previous day high? Yeah. 15 minute. Can we respect this 15 minute? If we do, then that'd be nice. Are we gonna respect this support right here on ES? We're gonna see. We gotta probably form around it. This area right here is a key level. Tough market, man. Tough market. I ain't gonna lie. Tough market. Yeah, this could be a drop. This might be a nice drop. Whew. You short 21.77? You're short 221.77. What was your entry? Man, these shorts came in heavy. What was your entry? Ew, like what kind of short is this? 21,842. 21,842. You got the 21,842. Probably rejection off the the inverse fair value. I should have took that, but I was going long. I would have changed my bias so fast. But good play though. Nice rejection off the internal fair value gap. That was nice. Nice respect off that to go down for a short. That's nice for a scout. I like that. Nice trade. Good trade, good trade, good trade. Big drop. Then big jump. Big bounce. Good trade. I might get off in a few though. Good job, day trader. What are you gonna do? You gonna hold this level or you gonna get out? What you doing? What's your plan? So you say, oh, you say you wanna go to 21,770. You like 21,770? Dang, what's at that level? Let me see. No, not you. Not you. NQ. I think I like what you see. If we can get that rejection, I'm gonna take the short too. But I gotta see us constant rejected. Damn, buyers are trying to buy and they're still rejecting. Ooh, oh man, it's heavy. Damn, I want to take it, but then it's like it's happening so fast. I want to see if I can get one more confirmation to go take the short. See if we got any imbalance above. Trying to see if we can get it. Oh yeah, it's about to hold up. Good play, man. Dang, good trade. Oh my goodness. Good trade. Good trade. Let's go. Good trade, man. I'm proud of you. You did that. Good trade. Nice. Bounce right back up so fast. Oh my goodness. Everybody was catching that short. 5 minutes. 1 minute on that. All right, let's see if I can find another trade before I get off. We got, well, it's already 10:23. 1 minute on a 5 minute. See if I can respect this area and go short. If not, if we respect this, if we respect this 15 minute, I might go back in the longs. If we don't respect it, I'm gonna go short. Nice trade though. Also, I mean, this is a fair value gap, but I don't like it as a fair value gap. It's not my favorite fair value gap. I like the ones with the opposite colors. Let's see. Sellers are heavy right now, y'all. No buyers in sight. 2. Can we break this? Can we break this resistance? I mean support on in. Dang, is that an imbalance? Oh my goodness, bro! I might have to get all these kids are crazy. We're hitting some consolidation, so we're hitting some range. Can we bounce right here? Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. And watch this area. It's looking heavy. How we doing so far? We doing okay. I mean, good thing I ain't risk too much. I'm just trying to be careful with my risk management. I'm trying not to do no more than 500 today. I'm trying my best not to touch that much. If I don't see a good trade or a good entry, if we already overextended, I'm gonna get off. We're already pushing to that that lunch hour mark, so I'm trying to be careful. Let's see what we got. Anything that I'm missing? Anything I could be potentially missing out on? Reject this again. Put this back. We already filled that in already. Can we break these? Can we break this? Yes, we are. We are doing okay. Trying to see if we can hold these levels. That's all I'm looking for. Bounce. Can we hold this level? So I'm trying to see if we can hold this level. I think the sellers are about to come in. They are so heavy right now. Man, they are so heavy. These sellers are so heavy. Oh, like a nice short entry though. I'm trying to find a better entry. Two minutes until these candles closes though. Oh yeah, that was the CISD. Oh my goodness, I missed the perfect trade. I missed it and I see it. That was it. That was it. That was the trade. Oh my goodness. Right, because right at this low, this higher low that took out that liquidity. The higher low that took out the liquidity came back down. That was a retracement to go short and I missed it. The shorts are coming in. Oh my goodness, that was a perfect trade. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. I guess I was getting up too much, man. Wow, that CISD play is perfect. That was a perfect play. For you. Hey, you caught that? Good job. Good job. Trader, day traded? Good job. Proud of you, bro. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. I want to see us come back. I want to see us come back into this 5 minute right here and have a rejection. If we can get a 5 minute rejection, I'm going to remove this. Hey, I'm removing all of this. I'm removing all of this. Man, what I need that for? Get this out the way. I want to go for them lows. Like you said, I really want to see them lows. I also want to see a 5 minute. I like this imbalance right here. I want to see a 5 minute get closed up right here and reject. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. I'll be right back. I can't believe I missed the trade. That was perfect. I missed it. Took out them highs. Took out them highs, right? Rejection off the previous day high. Came back, rejected for retrace into this way. Oh man, it was, man, how did I miss that trade? Oh, that was beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup for a nice trade. And I missed that. Jeez. How did I miss that? How did I miss? At least the candles reprinted. At least the candles reprinted. That's all that matters. I mean, I'm cool with that. Candles were printed. Let me look at it. Let me see if I'm missing a better support line. Oh my goodness. Let me get rid of this. This is nonsense. But ES didn't take out its highs though. ES is just sideways. It is Monday though, for sure. Gotta be very careful. Hey, I want to see this 5 minute right here. Get respected. 5 minute fair value you got right here. And not us bouncing 100 points in the world. Let's see. Respected this point right here. Let's see. Boom. 5 minute respect. Hey, good short. Hey, day trader. Good trade. You caught that. Hope you took some profits out. We having that bounce. I want to see us reject right here too. We got a fair value gap right here. I might take that. I might take that also. Got a couple of them. Right here too. And I'm just putting as many as I can, just in case I see respect. And someone needs to go short. These shorts probably can pan out. CID did form and I missed that trade. That was a nice tick move. Yeah, I missed it. I missed the setup. It was perfect. It was perfect. That was 182. Well, that's not a lot. I mean, that's only like 70 points. I mean, it's a lot, but it's not like a crazy amount for what today is. I missed the move. I know the previous day high was the rejection. I get that. But I was hoping that we stayed above that and we rejected off the 30 minute. Man, how did I miss that trade? Probably was getting so caught up into like getting up. It's all good though. I'm gonna have to get off in a few though because I don't want to be on too long. Man, that was a gorgeous, gorgeous trade. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 1 hour rejection. Yeah. Can we get a pump back up and I can get back into a re-entry short? Can we get that pump? I would love to see a re-entry. I would love to see a re-entry back to the shorts. Because I like the level he's seeing too. Also, go for these lows right here. I would love to see us go for this low. Oh, man. Man, that play was A1. How did I miss that? A1. A1 setup. This is range. We in a tough spot. A lot of people were thinking that we might be bouncing off this resistance right here, turn support. But we probably had tapped into these high liquidities and had a retracement and go back down to the shorts. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, guys. This is a tough spot. Tough spot for a lot of traders right now. You gotta be very careful. Very, very, very careful. ES. Look at ES again. ES ain't getting that break. I want to see it get that follow through to the shorts though. 4 hour. I would love to see these shorts come in for ES. I would love to see it come in because I see the build down on his resistance. See if we got any fair value guys that they might tap it to. I mean, we got a supply zone right here. Might just hold that right there. Also, let me look at NQ. See if we can come back up. If we keep rejecting, man, I don't want to get a short right here. I would like to see us get bought up. I would like to see it buy up here and then reject. Let me see if I can put another resistance. A little. Hold up. All right there. Right here. If we can come back up into these highs, reject, and go short, I'm taking that. That'd be nice. Today was a tricky day. I want to preserve capital as much as possible. As much as possible. If we break even, that's good. If we don't break even, that's good. As long as we're preserving capital. We have a bunch of fair value gaps. Start off with the highest will be a 5 minute. We're having a bounce right here. I like the wicks. I love the wicks. I love the wicks are showing strong rejection for. I love to see the wicks of at these highs showing that these sellers are really, really trying to be in control. We got a 5 minute fair value gap right here. We got an inverse fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. I would like to see us tap it too. Let me push that out, space that out right here. Got a little mini me right there. All right. 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. All right, let me see right here. Let me do this right here. About half point. Let me change this into Fibonacci. I did that the wrong way. Fibonacci the wrong way. From the high to the low. Maybe somewhere in this area at this 850 to 855 level. I would like to see an entry at. All right. Let's see if we can get that push and continue to go short. If we don't go short, then, you know, it is what it is. But then again, we had the bounce, so we might go long. Wait a minute. I'm trying to see if I can get a quick scalp into this long. That's all I was waiting on. Trying to see if we can get a quick scalp into this long. Oh, they're not gonna give a quick scalp into the long? Come on. Can we respect this right here and go long? I want to see us go up into this, and then I might short going back down. So I was really trying to push this market down. And then after this, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna add more right here. I'm gonna take off if we drop. Once this get that follow through, I'm gonna put my stop tight. So we can get a tight stop right here and get the push on the follow through. Nah, they're not gonna give it. Come on. Didn't like that move. Didn't like that move. Come on. Stop tight right there. Come on, Sutter, dry up. Get absorbed and dry up so we can go. I'm gonna take our partials right here. Alright, never mind. You know what? I'm gonna hold my trade. You're doing great. Hey, thanks, Deontay. I really appreciate it. I'm trying. I might be getting exhausted. I might have to get off because I'm probably getting highly exhausted. I'm probably getting. Well, ooh, I like this. Ooh, can you get that push? Follow through, follow through, follow through. Come on, follow through, follow through, follow through. Can we get that follow through? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Follow through, follow through. Take off right here. Partials. I'll take it at this. I like this area better. One stop close. Active slow right here. Big move. Thanks, Deontay. Really appreciate the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can we hold this level? Can we hold this level? Please, no. Getting out. All right, down 73 for the day. Just a quick little scout. You really gonna tell me we're gonna reject this point? We probably can. This is a spot we're gonna just, nah, ain't no way we're gonna reject right here. Anytime, bro. Appreciate it. All right, let's see what else we got before I get off and call it a day and take whatever I got in this choppy market. We had the bounce on the 4 hour, but I wanted to see us go back into the 4 hour. I wanted to see a retracement back. I want to see a retest back into these highs, but I want to see us have a rejection. No way that's gonna be it. No way. No way. Ain't no way you're ready right now. There's no way. No way you're ready. No way you're ready for the shorts right now. I mean, it could be if it wants to. We in this tight range. This is a tight range, y'all. I mean, we're gonna fill the first fair value gap we see, and that's that. It's crazy. Maybe this is it. Maybe there's no way this is it already. No way. Two minutes left until the 15-minute closes. 17 on that one. Yo, this move about to be insane. If it's one of those moves, oh my goodness. But nah, I don't know. It looks sideways. We are above, but we didn't get the break. We didn't get the break. Could this mean short? We didn't get the break on NQ. Could this mean short? Could this mean short? Could this mean short? This probably can be a double top for the shorts. Hey yo, I think I need to get into this trade. I might have to put my stop tight and just take whatever. I'm going in one. I'm going in one. And I'm gonna put my stop tight. I'm about to get rid of all this stuff, yo. This thing is looking really crazy right now. Hey, if you taking this trade, be careful. I'm gonna put my stop tight just to have a better entry. I'm gonna put my stop above these highs right here for a loss of 70. I'm willing to risk. I don't want to risk no more than $300 a day. I'm just gonna take it like that. I'm just gonna take that. I'm just gonna take that. This is a tough market right now, but I think I seen my bias just change in front of my eyes. We under the previous day. We under the previous day high. We retested the previous day high, right? We got. Then I could be wrong. I could get so hyped and still be wrong. I really want to see us come back down and wick. I would love to see us come back down and wick. So I'm gonna hold this short. I'm gonna hold this short. Even though my bias just changed. I just changed my bias. And this is it. My bias just changed, this is it. I'm taking the shorts. I'm taking the shorts. Man, that bounce, man. It's these bounce points that's getting me. Can we go back in and fill this? Can we go back and fill this up? If we come back and fill this, I want to get a higher short. I just don't want to see it happen right now. That's all. Damn, the buyers are coming in. The buyers might start coming in, y'all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out this range. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. I want to see, like I said before in my original plan, I want to get into a short right here. I want to get into a short right here. That's my plan. Get into a short at these highs at the 150, like I said before. I'm gonna wait on that. I think I just got two in it. I want to wait on that. I want to see us come up in here, respect one of these fair value gaps. Either one, I don't know what it's gonna be. Respect this and short 21.18, 21.810. What I say? 21.810. 21.810. Wait, when you said that, you said 20. You said 21. You said 21.77. You said 21.770. 20 what? 21.810. When you said that? No, that was Nathan. My bad. That was Nathan. Oh, you did say that. You said it earlier. My bad, Nathan. Hey, you got that. You got that. Looks plausible, but to hit that 4-hour low can take a minute. Hey, for sure. You got that. You got that. Hey, I take it back. You got that one. Nathan got that one. Are we getting that drop now? Could it be? Buyers are trying to push up, but they're not pushing the market? Nah, it's a fake out. We in range. We in range. I don't know yet. We in this range. For the retracement at the beginning. Yeah, true. True. Man. Funny how the market start doing big moves and then start drawing up. Would love have been a clean scalp. True that, for sure. I would have took it, but man, it just, I don't like scalping. I'm not a big scalper. I did it earlier because I saw the trade. It was obvious. Like when I seen this scalp and I took this little quick scalp right here. To me, that was a nice scalp. I think that's just a basic scalp. Take that, go for the highs, reject, and come down. I took it right here because of the. I just seen the respect. I took that. But scalping, when you start coming into the trade, I just can't do it. As long as I see a build up, I take the trade. I don't know, man. Look, you might say this. You might say this is a dry up. This is doji count. This is indecisiveness. I don't know. This is tricky. This is range. Gotta be careful. ES ain't even making no moves right now, but ES is getting a rejection. Hey, the more we keep focusing, the better we're gonna get stronger at this market. Overall, we just know that this is range, and we know that today is not a news day. So we may not see no big sellers in this market today. We might see a lot of range. So we're gonna see. I would love to see us coming to this 21.850 level, whatever this range is, reject and go short. I'm a scalper now. If it turns to day trades, I move my stops to break even and then move it into profits as it going up pips. Respect that. Respect that. I was scalping when I first started off. I was scalping, and then I switched to just straight setups. Like I just wait for setups. Before I was scalping, like I see a quick scalp and I don't take it. But right now you can scalp this, but it's hard because the market is so sideways right now on the footprints. I don't really scalp it. Shout out to Day Trader for even catching that move earlier. I should have known this was CISD. When you see the highs get taken out, duh. One confirmation, rejection off the 30-minute. Second confirmation, below the previous day low. Third confirmation. Also, when we came back down right here, and in the sweep, we had that 5-minute sweep. What that means is the CISD is the last low, and we come back down to that low, and we close below that low. We retrace, take that short. I should have known. I should have took that in full contracts. I wasn't paying attention. Is this the short? Is this the full follow through? Are we getting that rejection? I don't know. It looks cute and all, but you know, I don't know. You might say, oh, but the buyers they're drying up. The buyers right here they're drying up. But then again, what happens? Guess what? Everybody getting short. What happened? Yeah, you get absorbed. You getting absorbed. I'm still short from 21.842. Move to 21.799. Move to 21.799. Hey, that's what's up. I like that too. Let's see what's right there. We could probably get a feel. Let's see right there. Let's see what's right there to see what could be a potential target. I'm trying to figure it out. These are nice shorts too. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It's just I want a better entry. I don't want to get in right here and get absorbed. You got a nice entry. Shout out to Day Trader. He got a nice entry. He got it at 21.842. Day Trader got in right here. Day Trader got in right here, man. Literally, right on the money. Like right in this area, right on the money. Right on the money. On a 5-minute, look at that pop. Right? Somebody say, oh, the short's coming in. Pop. But your entry is so good that you can take the hits. That's what I like. I like your entry. Good job. Good job. Good job, Day Trader. Good job to you. Mm. Mm. Hey yo, it's a tricky market. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You know why I'm saying it's tricky? You know why I'm saying it's tricky? And you got stopped out yet? No, you ain't get stopped out. You still waiting. You got your stop. Well, that's a setup. Well, wait, what? Well, that is a setup resistance now. Turning support. Which one? Where the part where it was at? Hey, I like that day trader for real though. Hey, you got your stop at break even, or you got yourself some room? Did you give yourself like some room on that stop, or you just definitely chop city for sure? But that's just accumulation. They're just trying to accumulate because that big move might happen. We might have a bigger move, and if not, then it might be tomorrow. We have a lot of news tomorrow. We're gonna see. I don't mind taking one more trade. Hey, I'm happy. Even if I was up, I'm happy. Even if I'm down, I'm happy. I'm just happy that y'all even talking in the chat. Real talk. This don't mean nothing, man. If you ain't got network and communication. Alright, so like I was saying, I have a level that I want to see us come into. I hope we don't get that pop. I hope we don't start having a full long day. You know what I'm saying? Then we finally go up. That's gonna be like, yeah. Man, this thing is looking long on ES though. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, the buys were clean. What? Because we had a double bottom? I mean, yeah, that's cute and all, but it's still sideways. You're not getting a break, you know? Once you get that break, you know for sure. We're moving sideways on the footprints. That's not a fair, man. I mean, yeah, but nah. What is this? A daily fair value gap? What you gonna do? A 4 hour on it? Let's see. Nah. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, yo, this might be long. Hey, I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. Hey, this is tricky. Hey, they're trying to trap. They're trying to trap. They're trying to trap. Let me know. Hey, did you get out, day trader? Or did you hold your trade? Hey, you about to start streaming? Yes, sir. Do that. Yes, sir. Do that. Can we go for this liquidity above on ES? I would love to see it happen. Man, this trade looks... Jeez. It's tricky because we're not getting a break on NQ. It's tricky on ES because we got the break, but we finally getting that continued follow through. This market here, boy. This market here, crazy. Just ranging. I said it in the beginning of the market. Today might be a range day. And I should have took my profits and ran. Because you don't want to be playing up and down, changing your bias, up and down and up and down, and changing your bias, and up and down, changing your bias. It get like that. So you always want to wait for a day where it's really clean. The setup is really, really, really clean. All right, let's see. Okay. Gotta get off in a few though, because I don't want to sit on this all day. We got lunchtime about to come up. Market about to dry up. Rejection off the previous day high. But it would be nice to see a rejection with a higher time frame. You feel me? I would like to see a rejection with a higher time frame. I don't like to see wicks like this, but then let's see. Damn, this is double. These are equal highs. Oh my goodness, man. Talk about tricky. You know what I'm saying? This is tricky. Like, where are we going? Like, for real, what we going? Fill this imbalance right here? We already tapped into the liquidity above. Excuse me. Right? Where are we going? I think it's best to always wait for the market. Just sit on hands. 3 highs. We didn't even get a break on none of these. Right below the previous day high. 3 equal highs. Are we moving up to get the rejection? This is all I'm waiting for. This is all I want to see. Are we getting a rejection? Or is it going to continue to pump? ES is constantly going long. And Q is constantly going long. Man. I'm trying to get one more trade in before I get off. 3 minutes until the market, the 1 hour closes. 3 minutes. I think it's best for me to stay on this higher time frame. I'm gonna stay on this higher time frame and wait for more confirmation. 3 more minutes. I'm gonna take a trade at 11. Build up. Build up. Bop. Bull flag. Bop. See. Bounce. Rejection. Bounce. Rejection. Bounce. Like I had the line right here. Bounce. Bounce. Get rid of these lines. I feel like they're in the way. I'm gonna erase all of this stuff. Alright, getting a bounce. Bounce at this high. Couldn't break. Couldn't break. Took out the buy side liquidity. Got the rejection. 1 high, 2 high. This is gonna be a 3 high. We got 2 minutes left. Remember, this is just range because it's so rangy. We still in this range. We don't have a complete setup, so we don't have no breaker structure. Once we get a full breaker structure, it's gonna be obvious which way the market's gonna go. But you can find yourself losing profits and losing money by just finding this range. So if you're willing to play the range, by all means, more power to you, because this range is no joke. Wait, man. Come on, market, give us up, give us the way. Okay. 1 minute left. About 1 minute left until the market till these candles print. Love to see this 4 hour fill this up, man. I would love it, but it wouldn't look right on here. But it could. It could. This, man. Could this happen? Man, could this be a SMT? Could this be? Could this be? Could that be? Could it be? We don't know. We're gonna see. Oh, we're gonna see some high volume sellers come in. People are waiting. People are waiting, man. They're waiting for this move to play out. Remember, no breaker structure on the 5 minute, no breaker structure right here. I'm waiting for breaker structure. We also having a grind down. We tapped into that resistance. I'm waiting for this 1 hour to print. We got 25 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever time. We got like a seconds left, y'all. And we're gonna see where this market may go. Didn't bounce. Respect off the 4 hour inverse fair value gap. Created equal highs. Why are we rejecting? Are we accumulating on a Monday? Is Monday accumulation day? Right? Is Monday accumulation day? Hold on, be right back. All right, 1 hour just printed. 1 hour just printed. No break. No break. Yeah, this might be sideways, y'all. This might be sideways. Shorts, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. 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 All right. Can we get the break? That's the question. I just want to see us get the break. If we can get the break, then I'm taking it. We don't get the break, I ain't taking it. I want to see break a structure right here. We broke this structure. Retraced. I want to see us really break this structure right here. But we keep grinding higher. Sellers come in, buyers so absorb. That's a big move. We don't want to get caught up into this damn, we stand above this on the wicks too. We didn't break on the low. Ooh. Ooh, hold up. What's going on? Big old range. Just waiting, y'all. Wait more confirmation. Sellers start the rejection again. A lot of sellers probably try to get into the sales, and they got swept. Equal high 1, equal high 2, equal high 3. We couldn't break the highs. Man, I'm surprised we're not breaking these highs. All right, so it is about to be lunch hour. I think it's time to probably like just get off and wait till like lunchtime to really get off. Cause we're moving up and down in range. 15 minute. We don't have to trade. No confirmation. That's annoying. Tap into that IFVG. I like that. We tap into that. Trying to get more confirmation for these shorts. Long's looking good too. What y'all thinking? Let me know in the chat. What y'all think? What y'all seeing? Y'all sitting on hands? Y'all being patient? Just waiting for the move? Look like Lakers colors. And rejected off that 1 hour. Good, man. It's crazy. Perfect rejection off the 30-minute. 15-minute rejection on the 1 hour perfectly. Are we going for the long? Man, what is going on? W stream. Hey, appreciate it, Deontay. Thank you, thank you. You know it's a W stream when we stream. Oh, the seller's drying up. All right, y'all. I might have to get off because I'm not liking this chop. We're worked out on both sides. The big move might come. I just need more confirmation. Hey, look, all right. So look at the rejection right here. Boom. We're constantly tapping into this point and we're constantly rejecting this point. What is about to happen right here? Is this a move? I might get into a short. I might get into one short right here. I want to hold this trade above this high right here. I'm gonna risk $30 right here and let it be. I think this might be the move. Even though I didn't get the break, I'm going there with whatever confirmation I have right now. I think this is it. We're grinding high and we're rejecting. We're grinding high and we're rejecting. I'm gonna hold this trade. I'll be right back. Yeah, watch the charts for me. All right, I'm in the short, y'all. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold it. There we go. Let's see if we can get that break. If we get that break, I'm gonna add more. I just want to see the breaker structure. I like how we built up bull flag. Boom, right here. Like the bull flag. Like the flag. I just want to see us get the breaker structure. If we can get this breaker structure right here, I'll be happy, man. It's gonna make me smile. I think we waited long enough for this trade. They want to do it as soon as everybody get off. Can we get the BOS? Can we get the BOS? Can we please get the BOS? Can we stop playing around? Right? Can we please get the BOS? That's all we asking for. That's all we want, man. That's all we want. We just want the BOS. Give us the BOS. Please. I'm gonna put my stop down a little low. There's 19. Please give us the BOS. And stop giving us BS. Give us the BOS and stop giving us BS. Please. Then I could possibly add some more in this trade. Man, I would like to see us stop out. I would like to see us drop. You know what? I'm gonna go for this low. I'm gonna go for this low for that 30-minute. I'm going right here. Target TP1. TP1. And we making that green. We're making this candle green too. Tired of waiting. Y'all had me waiting too. You had me and my team waiting too long. They had us waiting too long, y'all. Too long. Dang, as soon as we get into the trade, it gets absorbed again. Bro, isn't gonna get nobody this trade tonight. Azir, come on, man. Why you screaming and crying? You got snacks. Let me go check on my kid. I think they're crying. I think he's hungry. Somebody go make him some food. Amazing little kid. Are we still alive? I hope so. My camera went off? Really? Oh, we still in there. I bet. You good? Thank y'all, man. Hold up. My internet started going crazy. Man, I'm having a whole crazy day. Are we still in this trade though? Hey, yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let me look at my charger. Okay, okay.